Hi guys, in this video we will see how to enable or customize Ace panel on Samsung Galaxy F70e 5G. You can enable or disable Ace panel from any Samsung Galaxy phone. Here are the process. You can see this is the Ace panel of your Samsung Galaxy phone. How to enable and disable this feature? Tap on settings of your Samsung Galaxy. Here scroll down and look for the option display. Tap on display. Here scroll down and you will find the option Ace panel. Simply turn the toggle button on to enable this and turn the toggle button off to disable Ace panel on your Samsung Galaxy Android phone. You can also customize this by selecting tap on navigate, tap on Ace panel, and here you will see tap on panel and you can see a lot of feature available here: apps, people, task, various features available here which you want to add on your Ace panel. Simply select it, and you can also add or remove various items or people from Ace panel. If you want to edit Ace panel, simply tap on edit and choose as per your choice. Change the task. This is the people. If you want to add more people, then simply tap on it and choose people's name. And if you want to choose app, then tap on app and add various type of apps to Ace panel. You can see this is your Ace panel, and you can also add or remove people from here. Simply tap on edit and add or remove people. Some other features also available here. You can also use task and various features you can add to your Ace panel through task. Tap on it. You can also choose apps and add various apps to your Ace panel. Simply drag and drop various apps to this Ace panel. Simply drag and drop your Ace panel. The item will be added on your Ace panel on your Samsung Galaxy. So this is very important feature on your Samsung Galaxy Android phone. If you choose task, then various tasks you can add to your Ace panel on your Samsung Galaxy Android phone.